Hi folks, and good morning. It's yeah, I don't know what time it is, about 4, half 4, something like that. It's getting light anyway. I've got the speaker grill prepared, or I've got the, look at that, look how nice that looks. You know, and we've got that sorted. Now let's just put that there a minute. And we've got the cabinet. I've sanded this down. I'm not going to cover this with any. I'm not going to revarnish this or stain it or do out with it. What I'm going to do with this, I'm going to veneer it the same. I'm going to veneer it the same way. But this is actually a darker wood than the front. The reason why they've done that is because the sides on these are not veneered. I think this is mahogany or cherry or something. I don't know, but some sort of redwood. And this is the same on this side. But if you look at the front here, look, I don't know whether I pointed this out. I've put a patch in there. That's solely just so the veneer can curve, and I've done another one here. You know, you can see them, but it doesn't matter because the veneer's going to cover them. They're just for the veneer to rest on. Because they broke. I had a bit of breakout while I was sanding the sides down. Anyway, this is all sanded. It's all, there's a couple of gouges where I've caught it with a chisel, but the veneer will cover all that. But look what happened during manufacture. This was done when it was made. There's a crack and it runs all the way from there, all the way along to the other end. And I wouldn't mind betting that if you strip the veneer off them all, that I bet they're all like that. You know, and there's also a crack on the top here, which was also done during manufacture when they bent the when they steamed up the wood and bent it to. They obviously didn't get it supple enough. And you know, there's that side there. There's the front. You've just seen that. There's the other side. See, they made that. At first, I thought they were different coloured woods, but they're not. But I do have the option, if I don't want to for any reason veneer this, I can actually revarnish it. I can just varnish it, so it's not a great problem. There's the inside. It's all, and these bits are the bits of wood trim that go around the grill and the tuning dial. I've not cleaned the tuning dial yet. You know, the glass. I've not cleaned the glass. I've cleaned all that lot, but I've not cleaned the glass. The chassis there, that's all got valves on it, and that's ready to go. And so I thought I'd just make a quick update on oh, pardon me, where we're up to on things. And Lawrence is wondering how I'm going to bend the veneer over here. Well, I'm going to do a better job than what Bush did. Anyway, what I'm going to do, basically I'm going to do it the same way I did the Clark & Smith record player. I'm going to start at the back and I'm going to iron it on, and it'll heat up, and I'll just bring it down and bring it down slowly, all one sheet, and we'll cover the face of the old radio till I get to the line, this line here at the bottom, which is then where I will end the veneer. And I don't know whether to go. I don't know whether to go for how it was original. I mean, because it is not original now. It's been restored. But you know, I'm wondering. I actually do like the veneer I put on the Clark & Smith. And I'm keeping this radio, so basically I'm thinking of going with the same colour veneer. I don't know what you lot think. It's mahogany on the Clark & Smith. The Clark & Smith veneer was originally oak, but I went for mahogany because at the end of the day it's no longer original. I don't care about it being original. I mean, looking, you know, you know, it just, you know, I don't care about whether something looks brand new or brand old or whatever, as long as it looks good. And what I'm thinking, with these light wood, I don't know what they're fucking made out of. Probably chop fucking sticks or something daft. Anyway, what I'm thinking is, if I use redwood like mahogany, then when these go in, it'll really pop. You know, that goes on that side, but they'll really pop. You know, it'll really set it off, I think. And I've got my new knobs which are in my drawer there. I'm not going to put the new knobs on the chassis to actually do the repairs on the chassis. I'll use test knobs. I've got some test knobs in the drawer. I'll use those so I don't mess up my nice new knobs. Well, my nice clean knobs rather, freshly lettered and stuff. And this is all done. I mean, this is, you know, I mean, at least it's not. I mean, it is plywood. At least it's not chipboard and it's not bloody MDF. You know. But they churn these things out by the time. I wonder how many they made, because these had to have been man-made. You know, these had to have been handmade, and they you know, they didn't make these on a machine. They might have used a machine to do all the bending and cut all the stuff, cut them all out to shape and stuff. You know, they'd use the 60s version of a CNC machine for that. You know, they'd use a machine that could do that. But the chassis were all wired by hand. But you know, I'm actually quite pleased with the way this has turned out. I'm not going to drag the video on because I want to go to bed and tired. Anyway, folks, you all have a good day, and I'm going to stand outside for a few minutes and get some air before I go to bed. It's cold. It's cold. It's hot. Anyway, folks, you all take care. And as I say, this has just been a quick update to let you know how I'm getting on with it. Oh, pardon me. There's another one for Donald Trump. I don't call them farts anymore. I call them Donalds. When I do one of them, I say I've done a Donald. Anyway, you all take it easy, folks. I'm not uploading this now. I'm turning everything off. I'm going to bed after I've been outside. After I've let him out and been outside, let Scraps out for a piss. Then I'm off to bed, and I'll upload this when I get up. Right. I noticed I lost 3 subscribers today, and I had 97 a couple of days ago. Now I've got 94. Oh well, never mind. Some are obviously some have obviously found better things. Anyway, never mind. Thanks for watching, folks. Those of you that are loyal to me, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later. You all have a good day, and have a better one tomorrow. Bye, folks.